All right, we're going to be making a graphic organizer together. Right now, I'd like you to pause the video and get the graphic organizer set up just like this so that you can fill in the blanks with me. All right, if you're listening, I'm assuming that you've created your graphic organizer and you're ready to start filling in the blanks. So, all of the substances in the entire universe are matter. And matter is just anything with mass and volume. Now, matter can be classified into a lot of different types of matter because anything with mass and volume is a very broad category. It's a very large umbrella. So we're going to have two basic categories for what matter is. The first one is pure substances. Now, pure substances are materials that can be separated with a chemical change. The other category is mixtures. Mixtures can only be separated with a physical change. Now, the actual definition for a pure substance is that it's totally pure. It's all the same throughout. Now, whether that's all one element or all one compound, it doesn't really matter as long as it's completely pure. Whereas a mixture is kind of the opposite. A mixture is a blend of two or more substances that retain their properties. In other words, those two or more substances are not bonded. Now, elements are a type of pure substance. An element can't be broken down into other substances. It's as simple as it gets. So if I were to look at the particles of an element, the most common particle for an element is called the atom. Atoms are individual particles that are unbonded to anything else. An element is going to have all the same kinds of atoms. Now, sometimes an element's atoms might bond together. It's a little bit more rare, but it does happen. When those atoms bond together, we call that particle a molecule. Now, compounds are another type of pure substance, but they're different from elements because a compound is made of two or more elements bonded together. So if we were to look at the particles of a compound, we'd see two or more different types of atoms bonded together, making molecules. The difference between the molecules of an element, which is that rare picture, and the molecules of a compound is that an element's molecules will be made of all the same type of atom, and a compound will be made of two or more different types of atoms. Now, we've got different classes of mixtures as well. The first type of mixture is a homogeneous mixture, which is uniformly distributed, or in other words, evenly mixed throughout. So the particles for a homogeneous mixture might look something like this. They're not bonded together, but these atoms are different and evenly mixed up. A heterogeneous mixture is unevenly distributed or randomly distributed. So the particles for a heterogeneous mixture may look something like this. Unbonded particles just randomly mixed up. So come to class prepared with this completed graphic organizer tomorrow.